Good job.
He's so smart. Put a hat on, dude. Put it on.
Good job.
Good job.
Put it on. Put on hat.
Put on hat, dude. Good job.
Aww. Give me 5. Give Mama 5. Give me 5.
This little dude is so smart. How he know how to put on the hat? What is that?
I don't know. My hat.
I know, that's why I'm like, did he just say my hat?
Pada.
That's your hat?
That's Daddy's hat.
That your hat?
Well, that should be your hat, huh? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Troy. Bye-bye. Say hi. Bye. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yay. Bye. Bye. I love you. Bye-bye. I love you. Clap your hands. Happy, happy home. Cool. Yeah.